So most of you are complaining that you haven't received the prize email yet. And most of you are worried too that I'm not receiving the prize email, how I can get the prize. So in this video, we'll talk about it. First of all, you need to understand who will be getting the prizes. Okay. Prizes are only for the participants who are in cohort 2, not if you are starting in January and completed January games. For you, prize counter will be opening in June 2026. Now, this prize counter is specifically for the cohort 2 participants. Now, who will be getting the prize email? Okay, if you have achieved at least 25 points, at least means at least novice tier, that is 25 points. If you are having 24 points, 19 points, 13 points, then you are not eligible for the prizes. So if you are having 25 points by the last cohort before the cohort 1 started, basically in till 31st of December, as the arcade games already ended in December, 28 December. So till 28th of December, if you have earned some points, completed skill badges, arcade games and have earned some points, then only you are eligible for the swags. Okay, depending on your tier from novice 25 for legend 95. Okay, now who will be getting the prize email? First thing you need to understand, the people who have completed the game. Second, who have subscribed to the arcade. Okay, now if you come to the arcade homepage, let me show you. Here a subscription form is there, right? You must have seen. So if you have filled this subscription form earlier, right? If you have filled this subscription form earlier, this one, okay. If you have filled this earlier, then you are eligible for the swags. If you think you are filling this form after 31st, then you won't be eligible for the swags. Also, I updated multiple times to fill the form. So if you have filled this form, then you must have received the final insider email. So the people who have received this final insider email is the proof that they will be getting swags 100% sure. Still, most of you are reporting that we have received the arcade insider email, but not the prize email. So I will tell you how you can just get it fixed. First thing, you need to check your spam section. For the people who are seeing that they are unable to find the insider email also, I'll share a detailed guide. Do not worry how to do it. So you have to just check your inbox, then spam section, and then trash section. Just simply do click on all mail or just search the arcade insider or your points final insider email. You can just search. All the details will be mentioned over there if you have received the email. Okay. So if you have received this email, then it's well and good. You are eligible for the prizes. And if you have not received, I'll tell you how you can contact the support team. Second most important thing is that how does the prize email look like? Here is the prize email. And if you have got the prize email, first of all, check the spam section, promotion section, and update section. Also a detailed guide how to claim the prize. You can just check the video description. How to just claim the prize. I have covered everything in detail. So let's come to the main topic. Now how you can get it fixed. Okay. So the first thing what you need to do, if you have received the Arcade Insider email, then you have to take the screenshot of this email and mail to this email. Okay, just mail to support@Qwiklabs.com, and along with your profile, means public profile. How will find your public profile? Let me just show you. For example, just let me just open it. You have to just go to skills.google. Okay, just go to Google Skills, and from there only you can just follow this method also. It's very easy. You have to go skills.google, then click on profile, go to settings, and here you'll see the public profile over here. You have to just copy this. Okay, and then you have to just compose an email that you have to simply say, hello team, I have achieved this particular tier. I have achieved 95 points. I'm in legend tier. I have received the arcade insider email, the final insider email also. Okay, and you have to attach the profile link and just ask them, I haven't received the prize email, please provide me the prize email. So they'll by internal team, they'll just share the prize email link also. They also have the link they usually share. In my case also, in 2023 I did not receive the prize email. I just mailed them with the screenshot and this method. They shared me the profile and means the price order URL. Okay, actually it was sent, but due to some technical glitches it wasn't reached to me because a large number of prize emails are sent. Now for the second participants who have not received the arcade insider info, not received arcade insider plus prize email. Okay, so you have completed all the things. You have received arcade insider of previous month. If you have received arcade insider of November, December, even of July, August, September, whatever the season started, you have received, you can attach that in screenshot and simply mail to the support team. Which email? We use this email. You have to mail them and tell them, please help me my I have achieved these many points. Okay, just share your public profile. How to check the public profile? I have already shared. You have to just copy that link and share, and they'll just check and notify you that you are eligible or not for the prizes, and they'll send the prize email too. So make sure to do it before. You have to do all these things before 31st of January so that you are able to claim the prizes. Okay, so this was a quick update. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead.